Recently, I have to use Cort extension and found out that it's in dangerous state. This may lead to disaster, but in this economy, it's better to start fixing stuff instead of buying new. Fortunately, extension is very simple and easy to fix. Unfortunately, it is soldered, not bolted, so I have to resolder on my own, but it only 3 wires, so it's not that hard. Thick part, which supposed to prevent cord from overbending, misplaced. With time, isolation dried and cracked. To prevent this from happening again, I'll apply tape and fix stopper in place. This should work for a while. Let's detach old cables and prepare new parts for soldering. To all wires is ground, when to other cables is neutral and line. It's better for neutral and line to be the same length. For soldering them I need only little bit of wire to be cleaned from isolation, and I am glad that I have tool for such process. Doing it with some knife would be annoying. Unsoldered old one, and for some reason I decided that fix in place that stopper is next step, but it's not. Better to put stopper on cord, solder everything, and then fix in place stopper. Anyway, it's time to connect new wires back. Apply a little bit of the tint to wires, and then start soldering them into place. I have made small mistake during this process, that I overheated wire and isolation started melting little bit. Better to avoid such thing. Now we can close extension and test it. Seems everything is working properly. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.